Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Hey, look, I received another envelope. Let's open it up and see what we got in there. So I got this, I don't know if they're see-through or they're just black and white, but I gotta find a good spot to put them on a Hellcat. Alright, we got here left and right. It's brilliant. They appear to be in a good shape. I'm gonna go around the car and I'm gonna see where they're gonna look the best and we're gonna slap them on. Alright guys, I have one shot at this. Hopefully it's gonna turn out straight. I hope it's gonna turn out good. Alright guys, there you go, final product. I hope it's gonna stick good. Kinda like it. We can always take it out if we don't like it. I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna show you the finished product, okay? Alright guys, here is the finished product. On this side. There's that side. So that's how that would look. Let's see how that would look when somebody is next to you from another vehicle. I think turned out pretty awesome. I do like it the way it looks. I like the location too. Little bit an angle, it's very visible. Looks good. Hopefully they're gonna hold up. Hopefully they will hold up. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below if you guys wanna check it out, these little flags, and put one on your vehicle and whatnot. I think it looks great. I like this, but I love those much better, and the Challenger turned out very nice. I think that turned out very nice. I can't wait to take it out on a street. I will see you soon with another video guys. Have a good one, bye bye.